Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661, John FK page again. A little message for those fucking idiots that like to ring doorbells and don't even know the fucking person to try and get into an apartment building. They're fucking idiots. Don't do that. Because this morning, somebody rung my bell in my fucking apartment trying to get into the building. I don't even know the fucking person. That's a security issue there too. And probably just going through everybody's apartment just ringing bells. See if they get in. No, they ain't the way that works. You don't have a key fob or you don't know the person, don't try and enter the fucking building. Because you woke me out of a good sleep. I finally had got my foot settled down from that ulcer. I was in a good sleep, trying to get a little bit of rest till 9 o'clock. It woke me up before 9 o'clock. This shit hurts like fucking hell. I had a good moment. Laying there nice and comfortable. Without it hurting. Getting a good sleep. And all of a sudden you get to fucking ring the bell. Ring my apartment bell. Push my apartment button. Fuck you. Alright, don't do that shit. Okay? And now I'm going to have to take 2 Tylenol. Wait for about 30 minutes and try and slip a sock over the top of this without fucking hurting, which is going to hurt. And I have to sit there and psych myself into putting the sock on. Even though I don't have to go to work or dress up or have to go anyplace. I have to go out and get some breakfast items for the house. Or go out and get some breakfast. It's bullshit. You don't know what's going on with a person. You piss that person off. They come looking for you. That's a security issue. All sorts of ways. We got people in here in this apartment building who's got court orders against spouses to stay away. Former spouses or ex-husbands and wives to stay away because of domestic issues. They got orders of protection and restraining orders. And you just can't do that. Because I don't know what you're about. All right? This is fucked up.
Definitely cool, but compared to what we dealt with last night into first thing this morning, much calmer out there. Temperatures are in the 40s for most of the tri-state. Still chilly.
But anyway, have a good one. Give you another video blog here soon.